Hello guys, in this short video I want to show you how to optimize this sentence in many-to-many relationship. Have you had any situation where you need to attach multiple models to the belongs-to-many relationship? So in my case, for each of the sport, I need to do for each of the countries and attach the country. It comes from a recent demo project which I've done as a challenge on this channel, so I will use fake filler Chrome extension to fill in the countries for the sports, and as a result of that, this code is launched. So I've attached a lot of country to the sports. There were 5 sports, and in total we have 15 new records in the many-to-many relationship in the pivot table of country sport. But the problem is that it launched 5 queries to the database. So each attach is 1 query to the database. What if there are many countries, like hundreds? So do we have 100 queries? No, we don't have to. And the solution comes from a comment on this YouTube channel on this video about that demo project. It comes from a person with a really interesting nickname, large amount of soul OS. So instead of doing attach in for each loop, we can pass an array. And in the official Laravel documentation for the eloquent relationship, in addition to attach with pivot field, there is attach with array. So we need to have the structure ID of the related record, and then every pivot field that we need to extend with needs to be an array. So instead of doing this, let's define the array of, for example, medals, which is empty by default. Then we don't do attach here, we do medals. The key should be country, which is country ID, and then the value should be the array of pivot fields, like this. Then we don't do attach here. Instead, we copy and paste and do attach after the for each loop, but attach not the country, we attach medals. Let's try it out. I have remigrated the database, so the database is empty now. And if we go back to our form, back, refresh, fake filler Chrome extension, another 15 countries, we submit, and the result seems to be okay. Refresh the database, 15 countries attached. So with this solution, we have 1 query instead of 5. And if you have multiple attachments like this, in my case, it can be optimized. If you want more short videos like this one, subscribe to the channel because I shoot daily videos now, and see you guys in other videos.